Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry dal. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of lentils, a selection of common spices, and fresh aromatics like ginger, garlic, and onions. Red or yellow lentils are excellent choices as they cook relatively quickly. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's cook the lentils. First, rinse 1 cup of your chosen lentils under cold water until it runs clear. This removes any impurities. Then combine the rinsed lentils with 3 cups of water in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook, partially covered, for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are tender. The secret to amazing dal is the tadka, or tempered spices. In a separate small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee over medium heat. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a few curry leaves, letting them sizzle until fragrant. Then, add your chopped onions, ginger, and garlic. Sauté these aromatics until they are soft and lightly golden, releasing their wonderful flavors. Once your lentils are cooked and the tadka is ready, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the hot, aromatic tadka directly into your pot of cooked lentils. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and season with salt to your liking. Let it simmer for a few minutes to meld the flavors. Finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.